Ethan, Olivia, Miles, Giulietta, Lorenzo, everybody's here.
What about my Lucia?
Even Lucia is here.
What about Rika?
Oh, even Rika is here. Yes, everybody.
Hey, guys, what about me?
Of course, Grandma. Nothing happens without great-grandma here.
Grandma, can you tell us a story when you were a little girl?
So, Gramps, what are we gonna do today?
Well, I thought we could decorate the Christmas tree.
Sure picked a good one.
Yes, Ethan, but we didn't have such a big tree. We had a juniper berry bush, which was much smaller.
How could you fit all your presents under there?
Well, when I was a little girl, my mother and grandmother and I, we would bake the cookies. We would string all the fruit and the nuts, and we would hang those. And then when the holidays were over, we ate all of those. Those were our presents.
Where are we, Noni?
This is my grandmother's house. That's me. And my brother Franco. We're rolling out the almond paste for the amaretti con pignoli.
The what? The pine nut cookies, like we make every year.
Exactly.
A duck!
We had ducks and pigs and chickens and goats too.
Right in your backyard? Whoa! The ducks are fun to play with.
I like them better with a nice cranberry sauce. And there's my grandmother, Nonna Rosa. She was always cooking, making the sausages and curing the hams.
It smells wonderful.
That's the bay leaf and the garlic.
That's a lot of food.
It has to be. We're a lot of family. We've invited Donatella, Berto and Carmela, Angelo and Sylvia and Paul. Nephews, nieces, cousins, uncles by the dozens. Sure hope we can fit them all. When we all come here for Christmas, come to spread the cheer for Christmas. It's that time of year, keep your family near, and we all will be here for Christmas.
Now we shape the dough into little balls. And then roll them in the pine nuts.
Look, Noni, I did it.
Now we can really have fun in decorating them. So let me show you first. I'm gonna take a star because I think I'm gonna go right here. The cookies are nice and cool. And some icing, just some plain icing. And I think I'm going to decorate it this way. So you have the icing and you just slowly squeeze the icing out into the shape that you'd like. And like that. I think I like that. And now, well, let's see, what would I choose? Gold. How's that? Just dip it, tap it lightly, just like that. And does this look beautiful?
Yeah.
And then we let it here so that the icing dries and everything sticks to it. So go right ahead. What would you like? What shape? Let me just. Go ahead. Okay.
Will it break
You want to take another one? Should I each give you a star and gingerbread man? Take your time and have fun.
Wait, no.
Okay, so you hold it nice and tight and you push it from the top so it comes down. Hold your cookie. Go ahead. That's it. Go ahead, squeeze. You need more because otherwise the colors won't stick. That's it. Fill it in. All the way around. Okay, that's great. Okay, I think that's a good first. All right, Ethan, doing a beautiful job. What color do you want?
Blue.
All right. Slowly tap it. Pick it up. Let's see what you did. Wow, that's beautiful. You want to put it here and you want to let it dry on the side? Okay. You're licking the sugar, huh? Okay, what's next? That's a good job, Ethan. And what color do you want, Ethan?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. Okay. Okay, tap it nice. Let it all. Wow, that's a beautiful one. Good job, Julia. What would you like to dip it in? Tell me, I'll bring it close to you. The pink? Okay, put it down. That's it. Now tap it all around so it sticks.
I got it.
Yeah, give it a few minutes. Okay, I think it's done. Wow, that's a beautiful one. Put it right here. Let it dry a little bit. Wow, that's a beautiful one. Okay. Ah, it's like a candy cane.
In red.
So what do you want it? You want to dip it in red? Okay.
So it's like candy cane.
Take it easy. Push, that's it. Hold it on the top and take your time so that the icing comes down. Don't run, that's it. Give it a chance to stick. Wow, that's a pretty one. Oh my goodness, this tree is going to be the best tree. The best tree. You know, when I was a little girl, we baked the cookies. I must say, I didn't have all of this. We didn't. We had sugar. Oh, that's great. What color did you want to put it in?
You just had green. You just put it on the trees with nothing.
No, we had red sugar and
But you didn't have the colorful
we
ones?
didn't have the color one. No, we didn't. But we had lots of fun, you know?
Look.
Oh, that's a great gingerbread man. Wow. Go ahead, put it on the floor. Good. All right. Can I put it there? I think so. That's a beautiful one. That's a real festive one. Wow, look at these two. I think these two, we can have a whole kind of cycle just of gingerbread men. Would you like that? Ah, this tree is going to be colorful, beautiful, but most of all, it's going to be delicious. When I was a little girl, we didn't have a Christmas tree. We had a juniper bush. My brother Franco and I would pick the best one, with deep green needles and small frosty blueberries. Our grandpa would cut it down and bring it into our kitchen. It smelled like a pine tree, only better. Sweet and spicy and fresh.
But Nani, where are the twinkle lights?
We didn't have fancy colored lights back then. We made all the decorations ourselves. Little wreaths that were strung out of dried figs and bay leaves, and fresh fruit as well, tied with ribbons that we saved all year long. Here, hang this one up. For sparkle, pieces of candy wrapped in shiny paper. And after the holidays, we'd eat the decorations. Those were our presents. Smell that? Nonna Rosa is drying orange peels for tea.
That's the best smell I ever smelled.
That's Christmas.
Lidia, Franco, twist me some more crostoli, please. You too. Everybody helps.
She talking to us?
You'd better get to work.
When they're done, we'll put thread through them.
And hang them on the tree.
I think we better taste one or two of them, eh? Just to make sure they're okay.
Noni, can we make some of these for our tree?
Of course. You guys are just so good at this. I think I can just go and take a rest. But I'm going to begin to fry them. Let me tell you, what you're doing is a big help. Now let's see, Noni's gonna just test it. If it's the right, it looks like it is. Oh, perfect. The temperature is perfect. And then you see guys, let me show you. You see how when it fries, it has the nooks and crannies? We're gonna put the thread, just like Grandma used to do when she was a little girl. We're gonna put the thread to that, and we're gonna put it on the Christmas tree.
Really?
That's what we're doing.
That looks good.
Yeah, yeah? Yeah, you're having fun?
Yeah.
Okay. This one looks like it's done, right? Do we like it?
Yep.
All right, I'm ready for my
next batch, Miles.
All right. Let me just...
Pick it up and put a little bit of flour.
The aroma. This was the aroma when I was a little girl. That was the whole house before Christmas. We used to do a whole week of baking different things. But that's what we're gonna do here. Continue on preparing things.
Okay. A little bit more. Yeah, you need to go a little bit more, make it square.
Any questions, guys? Huh?
Is it good like
Huh? Tell me.
like this?
That's good. That's
That's
pretty
good.
good. That's pretty good. Ah. You're doing a great job. Some of these, the perfect thickness. That means Miley is doing a great job. They're the perfect size in ribbons and ridges. That means that Lorenzo is doing the right job. And they're the perfect knot. You see? Look at this one. This is a perfect knot. And that means that Olivia is doing the right job. Okay, I got myself here some pros. When this cools off, when it's all cool, you guys will have fun decorating it.
And then eating it.
Yeah, you can eat.
One or two.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have a lot of help here. Great job. All right. So this icing is actually where all the decoration will stick to.
Did you have it when you were a kid?
We did. We had icing.
I'll do the next
I
one,
didn't
okay.
have all of this fancy stuff, all these colors. We had sugar. We had natural sugar. We colored the sugar, but we didn't have
I like
all.
sugar.
Huh?
Well, sugar's good enough.
Well, sugar, yeah, it was fun, but we did make the icing. Oh, good job. You're pros. Do you know what? Because when it's all over and we eat the Christmas tree, you can choose your own, the ones that you made.
Pat.
Oh, that's what we used to do. Okay, let me see.
Noni.
No. Oh, that's beautiful.
Noni.
Oh, that's beautiful. That looks like it has four Christmas balls. Okay.
I did
that's-
that one. I just
Yeah?
did it for Christmas. Now which one do we decorate?
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's see.
All
Gingerbread
right.
man, now you do it. Oh, it's a broken arm.
Beautiful job. Ethan, Miles, which one are you doing? What color do you want?
I'll do red.
Red, okay.
You can eat the part you
I pushed it a little too hard.
That's it.
Let me see. Beautiful.
Oh,
Can I eat it?
see? You can eat that. You see, that's a beautiful, Grandma. Is that for Nonna Mima?
It's for me, this. I can eat right now.
Ah, okay. Well, you know, guys, I think we've done an awful lot. So let's gather our stuff, and we'll go downstairs and begin to decorate the tree.
Yay!
Then came the big day when everything was ready. The music was playing. The table was all set. The guests were arriving. The juniper bush was all decorated.
Noni, didn't you ever want to eat any of the decorations before Christmas?
I'll tell you a little secret. Sometimes Franco and I would sneak a piece or two or three.
Noni!
But we were very clever. To make sure no one would notice, we'd wrap a small pebble in the wrapper and put it back on the tree. Nonna Rosa always pretended not to notice. The same way I do when Eaton sneaks cookies out of my kitchen.
Go help your mama and your papa.
Tu scendi dalle stelle, o re del cielo, e vieni in una grotta, freddo al gelo, e vieni in una grotta, freddo al gelo. Christmas is not about presents. It's about having all the people you love together in one place. About?
Family.
Exactly. You did such a wonderful job. Look at all these beautiful cookies, fruit, wreaths. It was just, this is going to be the best Christmas ever. We are going to have just the best Christmas and the best Christmas tree.
Noni, do you think you'll ever have a Christmas as special as the ones you had as a little girl?
I think that the Christmases I had as a little girl were beautiful, but spending it with all of you is going to be the best one for me, yes.
Do you know, kids, when I was small like you, I used to decorate the tree, and we all was singing. Do you want to hear me to sing what we used to sing?
Yes.
Okay. Tu scendi dalle stelle, o re del cielo, e vieni in una grotta, freddo al gelo. Oh bambino mio divino, io ti vedo qui a trevar. Brava, Nonna. That was very good.
That was good, but can we do some singing now?
Absolutely. What would you like to sing?
Jingle bells.
All right.
Okay, I will help you.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Yay! All right. Buon Natale.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas!